Frame almost all done. Went ahead, the factory welds were complete junk, so we went ahead and kind of just stitch welded it in. Cleaned all the old welds as best as we could, stitch welded all the stuff back in. Welded all this stuff up, put some brackets in there. These are notorious for cracking. For the little brace I put up front to keep the frame from twisting. Be about a 600 horsepower in here. And we put a 3-link suspension in here. So we got rid of the 2 triangulated upper link, and we put basically a 3-link in here. And then I have a sway bar setup that we're going to put on here. It's we're resurrecting the El Camino, so I'm taking all the old parts from the El Camino. It's a sway bar setup I built for the El Camino. We're going to put up. It'll actually be over here. We're going to put that on. Got my double adjustable shocks over there, and then we're going to build a watt linkage for the back here to keep the rear end located in this direction. But we've got a lot done. Cut out the old perch, the spring perch, and then the shock mount. We cut all that out. We're going to weld in a brace across here, a couple braces across there, and then we're going to mount all the rest of the suspension off of chromoly tubing. And then we got a couple braces to put over here. We're going to put a brace from here to here on both sides, so that the single link up here is supported. The rear end wants to yank out this way, so it's going to try to yank back on the upper mount here. So putting them here to here will kind of make everything tied together. This is almost ready for powder coating. We got a little more modification to do. That's the Chevelle thing. So that's the color of the car. We'd show it to you on the car, but we got it masked all off right now. We just got done painting the bottom of the car. So here's the bottom of the car. We're gonna keep it mostly stock. I'm trying my darndest not to cut into it. I put these little mounts right here for mounting the center console in the car. We went ahead and did a bunch of work on the firewall, got rid of a bunch of holes on the firewall. Wish I could show you that. But anyways, yeah, we basically went through and wire brushed it all down, cleaned it all off real good, and did a really good paint job on it. My boy Tom did the paint job, did a really good job. Now we're just waiting on the frame to get powder coated and put it all back together.
But yeah, you should probably tell them about this car.
Oh, the El Camino. That is a sad state for that car. That was a perfectly good car I cut up. I'm a complete retard for cutting that car I'm gonna put a 12 valve Cummins in it. I'm gonna make it into an off-road car. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
That would be dope.
She deserves another life, man. This is a good car. She served me well, man. That's my bastardized attempt at building a race car. I had no idea what I was doing. It worked pretty good though. That thing pulled the wheels off the ground. I was pretty happy about it. It's a Sherman tank, you know. Yeah. I'm probably gonna pull the body off and build a tube chassis. My daughter wants an off-road vehicle, and I think I'm gonna build that for her for an off-road vehicle.